You can watch this video in the bathroom because I'm gonna give you 15 FL Studio tricks every user needs to know. Starting with number 1. You can detect and change the pitch of any sample by right-clicking it in the browser and then choosing Edit in Pitch Corrector. As you can see, Newtone detected that my sample is a B note. You can simply adjust the pitch of the sample by dragging it to the note you want it to be. Now click and drag the selection into the channel rack and there you go. Number 2. If you press S on your keyboard, you will toggle on slide notes. This is useful to create slides fast and that way you don't need to double click your notes all the time. Number 3. Snap to scale. This one's pretty new, but you can enable it by clicking the music note on top. The notes you draw can now only be placed inside the scale you selected. By the way, to change the scale, right-click the note and choose the one you need. Number 4. If you have a mixer with the perfect effect chain for, let's say, guitar melodies, then you can right-click the mixer and choose File. Then save mixer state as. Give it a name, for example, guitar melodies. Then the next time you need it, right-click a mixer and go to File. Then find it in your preset list. There you go. Number 5. By hitting Alt plus V on your keyboard, you can disable or enable ghost notes. Super useful if you want to create melodies on top of the chords. Number 6 has also to do with ghost notes. If you double right-click the ghost note, the piano roll will actually go to that pattern. That is a quick shortcut. Number 7. Master your song in a few seconds. Go to File, Export, then Master. In here you can choose the platform you want to master it for, and then on the bottom you can choose the genre of your song. Now you can simply preview your song and save it if you want. Number 8. Use the free FL Studio Vault from Mixlead with more than 300 FL Studio tips. It's searchable so you can find whatever you need in no time. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. Number 9. If you want to increase FL Studio's performance, go to Options, then General. Once it's open, find the animation settings. Set it to Don't Distract Me. By taking away the fancy animations, you leave more room for your computer to actually make music. Plus, it's less distracting. Number 10. If you scroll down in the General menu, you'll find Undo History. Right here you can choose how many undo levels you get. You can also choose which buttons and controls can be undone. Number 11. You can use your typing keyboard as an actual MIDI keyboard. To do that, simply click the piano button on top or use the shortcut Ctrl plus T. Number 12. If you want to find the tempo of a song quickly, simply play the song in the background and use the tempo tapper to click along with the song. Number 13. On any sample in the browser, you can select the star icon. That way you will see all your start samples in this list on top. It's a quick and easy way to create a sample kit with your most used sounds. Number 14. You can actually change the background of FL Studio by going to the View menu on top and then Backgrounds. In here you can select an image file and there you go. Number 15. Learning how to synthesize sounds from scratch starting with an 808 in the next lesson right here. Thank you guys so much for watching.